In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix. This is a crucial step in making sure your work is securely stored and ready for the world to see when you're finished. So let's dive right in and go over this simple yet essential process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the specific site you would like to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Wix dashboard. From here, look for the Edit Site button, which will take you straight into the Wix editor. This is where all your website magic happens. Think of it as the control room for your entire site. Now that we're in the Wix editor, you've got a whole host of tools at your fingertips. Whether you're updating text, changing images, or tinkering with design elements, it's crucial to save your progress regularly to prevent any data loss. Keeping your work safe should be a habit, especially after making significant changes. Next, you'll direct your attention to the top menu bar. Throughout the editing process, the Wix editor interface features a prominent Save button located in the upper right corner. Whenever you make edits or changes to your website, it's a good practice to hit that button. By clicking it, you're essentially ensuring that all your updates are securely recorded on Wix's servers. Saving often not only safeguards your hard work, but also helps keep a detailed track of any changes you've made. This function is a lifesaver, especially if you need to step away from your project and are concerned about losing progress due to unexpected interruptions like a power outage or system glitch. After saving, you'll notice a small notification confirming that your work has been saved successfully. This little pop-up is your assurance that your website's current state is preserved. Remember though, saving is different from publishing. The save function only registers changes in the editor and doesn't make them live on the internet. If you want those changes to be visible to the public, you'll need to hit the publish button, which is usually right next to the save button. As a friendly reminder, it's good practice to save and publish frequently. Save before stepping away from your computer, but hit publish when you're ready for the world to see your latest updates. This distinction will keep your live website consistent with the version you've been meticulously editing behind the scenes. There you have it, a straightforward process to ensure your website changes are safe and sound. With this step complete, you can confidently continue building and perfecting your Wix website, knowing your progress is secure. Thank you for tuning in today and happy website building.